So in this video, we're going to show you how to add EGT to your MetaMask wallet. So firstly, you will need to go on our website and you will have to scroll down and click on Get EGT. Once you've clicked on this, you'll arrive to a new page where you'll scroll down once more and you will see a section where you can see our smart contract. Click on the link and it will lead you to Etherscan. Copy the address. Once this is done, you return to the website. And once you're on our website, go back up, click on your MetaMask. Open the account where you want to add the EGT. Once this is done, you will click on the three dots and import tokens. Be careful, this is a custom token you need to import, and you will paste our smart contract address in the section dedicated, and you will see the symbol EGT 18 decimals and click next. And once this is done, verify import token and you're done. EGT has been imported. It appears in your MetaMask wallet and you will be able to visualize all the tokens you've had, and every single time you'll decide to make a purchase, they will automatically appear right here. Thank you very much and thank you all for your support.